My heart, my mind, and my body stays. My mind, and my body. My body stays. My mind, and my heart. My body stays. I don't know what it is. Okay.
Hello fine babes, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dominica, and if it's your first time, you're welcome. We are a custom wig brand and we focus on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be taking you behind the scenes on how we create our custom wigs, and we'll be going with a loose wave texture, 226 and 224 with a matching 5x5 HD closure. So we'll be going from this to this. So let's get started. So first we begin by bleaching our knots. All our wigs come with bleached knot. We make it very easy for you. And one of the reasons why we bleach the knots of the lace is so that you have a realistic scalp. When you apply your lace, the scalp looks natural. So that's one reason why we bleach the knots of our wigs. Alright, so we are all done with applying our developer. We are all done applying our bleach, so we can bleach the knots of the lace. I'm going to show you guys when we're done how it looks like after this. While this is bleaching, we'll go ahead and get our hair ready. So we believe a wig is not supposed to be one size fits all. That's why we are focused on tailoring each wig we create to fit you like a glove. With that being said, we cater for every head size, ranging from a small to a large. So for our small head fine babes, we have from a 21 to a 21.5. And for our medium head fine babes, we have it from a 21.5 to a 22.5. And for our large head fine babes, we range from a 23 to a 24. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a custom wig for a fine babe, and she is a medium head size and she's a 22.5. So we use a heavy duty sewing machine to make every custom wigs, and this helps with longevity. Our wigs can last for like 5+ years with proper maintenance, but this alone helps keep your wig no loose tracks, nothing falling apart, and yeah.
Wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed. My heart, my mind.
So this is the start of the construction, how it looks like. And now we're going to go ahead and sew the tracks individually. So we're now going to begin the wig construction. So we're going to attach our tracks. Oh, before I forget, I totally forgot to mention. So we do use a mesh dome cap for our caps, for our wigs, sorry. So we use a mesh dome caps for our wigs. It's very breathable, very stretchy. It will tell you when you order a wig from us, it will tell you the size. I don't know if you can see. It will tell you the size. It will have our logo right there. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and attach the tracks. And normally for me it takes me about 30, fix this. It takes me about 30 minutes to do a full construction. But if it's your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. So there you have it.
Make your home a place like no other.
You. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, I gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit. Know that shit. Know what it is. I really wanna go where we can go. Can we get it together? Get it together.
So guys, here is the finished look of our wig construction. As you can see, it looks very messy, but we're going to style her and she'll be looking very nice. So this is how she looks before styling. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We truly appreciate it and it goes a long way for us, and we would love for you to come back for part 2 of how we style this wig. I'm going to show you a little snippet of it, and yeah, thank you and stay blessed.